you ever think of going back to school?
You know, I used to think of going back to school, and if I did go back to school, I would go back to school for acupuncture, to be a doctor of acupuncture.
How come?
I really vibe with acupuncture. I like the way I feel when I receive acupuncture, and I think there's a place for acupuncture with essential oils, and I don't think that many acupuncturists will not know that. How about you? Would you go back to school, and then what would you study?
I would. If I wasn't so old, I would go back to school and I would be a social worker. I would become a therapist.
Oh, why?
I would become a therapist for, well, two reasons. I've been to a number of therapists and some of them are kooks, right?
Yeah.
They're kooks.
Yeah.
Bad.
Yeah.
So I would be one because
A lot of therapists need therapy.
yeah, they don't go kooks. So one reason is that. That's the lesser reason. The more important reason is that I would go because I would really want to help women. I would become a therapist for, I would be a social work therapist for abuse and domestic violence. And that's what I would do because I don't think that people, I think there's a lot of judgment on women that don't leave abusive relationships, that there shouldn't be. And so I don't mean they should not be that kind of judgment. And so I think that the essential oils can be extremely supportive and powerful in healing wounds, giving courage for people to become free. So that's what I do.
So you would teach people how to use essential oils? You would teach women how to use essential oils?
Yeah.
With domestic violence?
Domestic violence, PTSD, yeah.
That's great.